Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stopped to think about what might be lingering in the air you breathe at home? Today we're diving into the world of indoor air quality testing offered by O2 mold testing versus DIY home tests. Let's kick things off by introducing the concept of indoor air quality testing and DIY home tests. It's crucial to understand the importance of having clean air in your living space for overall health and well-being. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the potential health risks associated with poor indoor air quality. Mold, allergens, and other pollutants can wreak havoc on your respiratory system and overall health. This is why regular testing is essential. When it comes to testing methods, there are two main options: professional indoor air quality testing services and DIY home test kits. The differences lie in accuracy, ease of use, and cost. While DIY kits may seem convenient, professional services often provide more comprehensive and reliable results. Here's where O2 mold testing comes into play. By opting for a professional service like O2 mold testing, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your indoor air quality is in good hands. Their thorough testing procedures can uncover hidden issues and provide you with the information you need to create a healthier living environment. In conclusion, regular indoor air quality testing is crucial for maintaining a healthy home. By staying proactive and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure a safe and comfortable living space for you and your family. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to visit the O2 mold testing website for more information and to schedule your own indoor air quality test. Take the first step towards a cleaner and healthier living environment today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Contact us today, 888-202-1680.